Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef. She got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a ghostly pot pie for Halloween. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 3/4 cup of chicken broth, 1 pound of chicken breast cut into small pieces, 2/3 cup of milk, 1 cup of thinly sliced carrots, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, 2 pie crust, 1 egg for egg wash, 1/3 cup of butter, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To a pot of water, we're going to add in our chicken breast, carrots, our peas, and also our celery. Now we're just going to let that come to a boil. After 20 minutes, you can remove your chicken and veggies. I'm going to put them in a bowl and set them to the side. In a heated saucepan, we're going to add our 1/3 cup of butter, and we're going to let it melt. Once it's melted, you want to add in your onions, and we're going to saute that for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, you want to add in your black pepper, and we're also going to add in our flour. We're going to go ahead and whisk that together until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth and also our milk. You can go ahead and whisk that together also. Now we're going to let it continue to cook until it's thickened. Once your sauce has thickened, you want to go ahead and turn off the heat. Now you want to add in your chicken and veggies. You want to just go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now you want to get your baking dish. We're going to get one of our pie crust, and that's going to be to line our baking dish with. Okay, now we're going to spoon our chicken pot pie into our pie crust. You also want to set your oven to 425 degrees. Once you have it all in your pie crust, just go ahead and smooth it all out and make it even. Okay, now you can set that to the side. Now I have my second pie crust. I have a ghost cookie cutter. And all I'm going to do is try to make as many cutouts as I can. Okay guys, so this is what our little ghost cutouts look like. Okay, now to cut out the eyes, I'm going to just use one of my piping tips. Now we're going to begin to place our ghost onto the top of our pot pie. Okay guys, how cute is that? Now we're going to take our egg wash and we're just going to brush the top of the ghost and also around the sides of our pot pie, the crust. Now it's ready to go into our 425-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And you want to bake it until the crust is golden brown and the filling is nice and bubbly. Okay guys, so here we have it, our ghostly chicken pot pie. Look how nice that came out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?